in the editorial office. Then we are going to discuss with the mentally. Then I am trying to discuss with the some other important tools. Okay, that's what I planned it. So initially I am going into the Google Scholar. Hope we all know about the Google Scholar. Please, can anyone tell that what is why we are using the Google Scholar? What is Google Scholar? Somebody tell, sir. Sir, actually, I expect that this session should be the interactive one. And apart from that, I can tell you that today I am not preparing even a single PPT. I am not going to present anything in PowerPoint presentation. I am lively open everything and show you what I did and what I am going to do and how we reach this question. Everything I'm going to explain you. So it should be the interactive session. So if I ask any question, please try to answer the questions. Okay. Please, anybody. Okay, that's fine. But please tell me, what is Google Scholar?
For the citation purpose.
Citation purpose. Okay. Then who is running the Google Scholar? Okay. Okay, fine, ma'am. Now I will tell you. Google Scholar is the platform. We are used to check. Ma'am, so please mute, ma'am. We are used to understand the other researchers' profile. Okay. Here I am searching opening my Google Scholar. I think hope my screen is visible, ma'am. Ma'am, please mute, ma'am. Somebody is unmuted. Please mute everybody, all the participants. Okay. Oh, I'm audible.
Okay, sir, you're audible.
Yes, thank you. So this is my Google Scholar, and in my introduction, madam tell that I think currently I am having the more than 160 Q1 Q2 articles. 160 Q1 Q2 articles. This is my Google Scholar, Dr. Senthamarai Kannan, Associate Professor, Alliance University. This is my profile. Okay, here you can see my citation, H index, item index, and all my article details. And then my collaborative tools also we can see here. Okay, fine. So as a researcher, whenever we are visiting any person's Google Scholar profile, what we want to take it from there? I am publishing it. I can showcase you. I'm having the 8,000 citation. I'm having the 150 articles. That's fine. That is different. If you are, as a researcher, if you are visiting any person's profile, you will take some data, some input. That is what very, very important thing. Actually, the thing is, what is the mistake all the researchers we are all doing? We are all writing some article. After writing your article, you are choosing the journal. This is the generally we are all doing. But now I can tell you that, please understand that. First, you have to choose the journal. There only you have to write the article. Thereafter, only you have to write the article. What's the mistake you are all doing? You are all writing the article, and after that, we are choosing the journal. Fine. So this is the conventional practice we are all having. But I can tell you that first you have to choose the right journal for your research area. Sir, you all know that your research area is very clear. It may be the polymer composites, it may be the image processing, it may be the security. It may be the ARML. Okay, everything you know very well. Fine. So in that case, you have to choose a particular journal packet with you. Even I can tell you my packet, how I'm running. Here you can see here. This is my portfolio of the journals. So first you have to create the portfolio of the journals. So actually, this what I'm going to talk today is more important to the faculty as well as research scholars. Okay, it may not be important to for UG or PG students, but however, it will be useful for you also. You also can see here. This is my database here. This is my portfolio of the journal. Okay, so I have some around 50 journals portfolio with me, which are the journals in the list, Q1, Q2 list. So please think that there are huge volume of the list is available with us. Huge volume of the list is available with us. Even you can go and see our Anna University Center for Research website. There are around 1 lakh journals out there. But all the 1 lakh journals are not fit for us. very few journals, maybe the 50 journals. It's actually the 50 journals is the highest one. Even 10, 20 journals only the very, very fit for your research area. So first you have to list out the journals which are fit for your research area. That is the first task you have to do. When you start to do the research, whenever you are writing any article, the first task is first you have to finalize your research area. Then you have to finalize the which journal you are going to upload the paper. That list you should prepare it. So then my next question is, sir, how can I choose the right journal? I'm very clearly says you that first you have to choose the journal, then you have to write the article. Fine. So before write the article, you have to choose the journal. Okay, fine. Sir, how can I choose the right journal in my research area? It's a very simple question. For choosing the right journal, you have to choose the Guruji, those who are publishing article frequently in your research area. Understand? So for choosing the journal, you have to choose the Guruji. If you choose the right Guruji in your research area, then you can easily follow them and you can choose the right journal for your research also. Okay, this is the flow you have to follow. So first you want to choose the journal. For choosing the journal, you have to choose the Guruji. After choosing the Guruji, you can follow them and you can easily do it. I will tell you how to choose the Guruji also. I will tell you. Don't worry. So whenever you are going to see the any research scholars, any researcher's profile, you have to analyze their profile. Fine. If we are all in my profile, we can easily analyze my profile. Dr. Senthamarai Kannan, having different papers. Okay, this is my paper details. Here, any Google Scholar profile, you can sort based on number of citation and based on the recent year. See here, this profile is sorted by number of citation. So whichever the article is having the higher number of citation, which is coming first. See here, this is coming first because it's having the higher number of citation in my entire research profile. Here, if I click this year button, automatically this entire profile is going to be sorted based on the recent publication. Please understand that you can easily sort the any person's research profile, Google Scholar profile, based on the recent publication as well as the citation. This is the first step you have to understand. Fine. Then some here now I'm going to sort my profile based on the recent publication, and then I'm going inside the my paper. Okay, my articles. See here. Now we want to check the which journal I am publishing the article. Clean chemistry letters and reviews, renewable and sustainable energy reviews, polymer composite, polymer protein, polymer international, journal of engineered fibers and fabrics, cryogenics, international journal of biology macromolecule, polymer composites, journal of thermoplastic composite material, journal of biomass conversion, journal of natural fiber, 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 journal of natural fiber. International Journal of Biology Macromolecule, International Journal of Biology Macromolecule, International Journal of Biology Macromolecule, Biomass Conversion, International Journal of Biology Macromolecule, Scientific Report, Journal of Engineered Fibers and Fabrics, International Journal of Biology Macromolecule. So I think you understand that how I am publishing the article. So no need to upload your article to the different journals. First, you have to create the portfolio of the journal. Once you create the portfolio of the journal, around 10 to 20 journals in your portfolio, then very simply, you can upload the same journal. You can talk to the same journal. You will easily get the acceptance. Okay. So choosing the portfolio of the journal is the first task. Once you complete your portfolio of the journal, then it will be very easy. Okay, fine. Sir, you already told that how to choose the portfolio of the journal. Okay. For choosing by choosing the Guruji in your area. Sir, how can I choose my Guruji in my area, sir? It's very simple. You can go to the Google Scholar. You just type Google Scholar in the Google. Okay, don't go to any person's profile. You just type the Google Scholar in Google. Go inside the home page. Here, ma'am, please tell somebody tell which is your research area. Please tell. Anybody please tell what is your research area?
Planning.
Deep learning. Okay, deep learning. Deep learning. In this Google Scholar, I'm just typing deep learning. Ma'am, I don't know anything about the deep learning, ma'am, and I'm not the researcher belongs to the deep learning research, even computer science. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you how to choose the right journal which publish in the article in deep learning. Fine. Now I'm just search it deep learning. That is the keyword in the Google Scholar. After searching this keyword, we can filter this keyword, because actually now we in deep learning itself, ma'am, we are having 17 lakhs document in this Google Scholar. You please understand that we have these 17 lakhs documents in the Google Scholar. Okay. From this one, you have to sort by applying different limits. Okay. So what is the limit I'm going to apply first? That is the from which year we are going to check the articles. Okay. Here you can see here anytime since 2026, 2025, 2022. You just click the 2025, which means whichever the article published after 2025 alone is going to be displayed here. Understand? Fine. This is the article which is published after 2025. Fine. Then you have to choose the different researchers profile. Whichever the researchers name with having the line underline, that researcher is having the account in the profile in the Google Scholar. That is the meaning for that one. Okay, this underline. So please open the different researchers profile. Open it. This person. Open. Fine. So this person is having the citation of 17,000. Please understand that this person is having the citation of 17,000, and now you are opening the different person's profile. 1,300, close it. Is 600, close, no need. I think 20 or 1,000 you can use it. This person is having 14,000. Okay, this is the person. These are the people, different persons working on this area. Now I'm going to sort this person profile by the year. Come here. Okay. Now you can see here whichever the journal he is publishing the article. I can tell you that information and the software technology is the journal we can upload. IEEE transaction on software engineering. Then Science China Information Sciences. These are all different journal you can try. The same way you can go here. Sort the person's profile based on the year of publication. Then you can see here computer methods and programs in biomedicine, because actually he may apply the deep learning into the biomedical application. That's why he is published the article in this particular journal. Okay. Mama, is it right way, ma'am, or not, ma'am? What do you think, ma'am? Deep learning, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Okay, understood.
Yes. So first you have to choose the person working on your area. Once you choose the person working on your area, then we are going to track this person like a raw agent or Mossad agent. You know what is raw? Research and Analysis Wing of India. So it's going to track the persons in the Pakistan or Bangladesh or in and around company in Sri Lanka also. They are working for our nation and tracking the persons. Okay, they are the world largest tracking agency. That is the agency is the Mossad. It's a analysis wing of the IB of the IB of that nation. I think I don't know. Forget about that nation. So this is they are tracking the persons everywhere. Even tell that in Catholic College itself, they are having one person to track them, inform them. Like in Alliance University, they are having some person. Like that, they are having the network. In the same way, we have to track the people. No need to ask, sir, which channel you are uploading the article. You can. No need to ask the person's expert in your area. No need to ask them. Don't ask them. You just go inside the Google Scholar, type whatever the area. It may be the graph theory, or it may be the composite material, it may be the material science, anything. Don't worry about it. Just search a keyword. Based on the keyword, then you need to apply the since 2025, 2022, then fine-tune the article. Then you have to go to that particular person's profile. Then you have to check how much citation they are having. If they are having more than 15,000 citation, mean that's a very good profile. Then you have to sort their profile. From that profile, you can choose the Q1 journals, scientific report. These are all the Q1 journals. You can upload the article and getting answers. And now you need to click this button. Then it's going to show you the new article by this author and a new citation to this author, which means whenever this particular author is publishing any article is publishing any article, automatically you are going to get a alert in your Google or that in Gmail. So every day, whenever you are sitting in your laptop itself, you are getting the alert from the Google Scholar. But the very important thing is you should not follow more than 5 to 10 researchers. You can change them or you can modify the portfolio, that is different. But if you are following so many researchers, then every day you are going to get 100 mails, 200 mails. Then you will not track them like a Mossad agent or raw agent. If you really want to track any researchers, don't add more than 5 researchers in your area. Please fine tune the 5 researchers, find the 5 researchers and add and follow their research. Just click this new articles by this author or new citation to this author, done button. Automatically what happen, every day morning you are getting a mail from the Google Scholar, or every day anytime you are getting the mail from the Google Scholar. This author is having the new paper, this author is having the new citation. So based on that one, you can easily track that particular person. Understand? So I'm also getting the Google Scholar alert. See here, this is the my Google Scholar alert, because I'm having the alert for the my paper. Okay, so you can choose, set the same alert for the your profile also. So whenever your paper is giving the any citation, you are getting the information, which means frontiers in materials, Iranian polymer journal. See here, journal of polymer and composites, then journal of renewable materials, journal of inventor. This is the journal where because somebody is citing my article, mean automatically the same journal I can upload the article. Sir, there are different matters are available. Even actually, since I'm the reviewer and the editor, if I'm getting any paper for the review, mean automatically the same journal I can upload my article. So this is the way this journal uploading is working. Okay. So first you have to choose the right Guruji in your area. Then you have to follow the Guruji in your area. By following the Guruji in your area, you need to create the portfolio of the channel. After creating the portfolio of the channel, you have to target the 4 to 5 channels in particular area. The same channel again you can upload and you can easily get acceptance. Because actually once you are uploading the same channel, automatically you are getting training on that particular channels, the needs also, formatting, reference styling, everything you will easily learn it. Fine. So first task is completed. We are all choose the right journal in your particular research area by tracking the people. Okay, fine. But the original topic which is given for me is the research networking. So now only I'm moving into the research networking. Sir, I can very frankly say you that I'm the person completed all my schoolings in Government Scientist School. Until 2015, I never crossed the border of Tamil Nadu, because you are all from Kanyakumari. Every day you are crossing, going to Kerala or somewhere. But unfortunately, I am from the Madurai and the center of our state. I never crossed the border of Tamil Nadu until 2015. Okay. But today, already I visited 3 to 4 international universities for giving the same talk. Last month, I went to Malaysia for giving the talk. And before 2 years, I went to Thailand for giving the talk. And one more time also, I went to Malaysia. And this year, I plan to go to Chile and I plan to go to Indonesia. And today, I'm having very good network. Okay, whatever I'm saying, everything is true. Okay. How I got this network? That is the $1 million question. How you got this? Because I did my schooling. After my schooling, I did my UG or PG in the 2-tier college only, 2nd-tier college only. Even you cannot hear that name of the college also. One college name is Pandian Saraswati Yadav Engineering College in Sivaganga. Another college is the PTR Engineering College in Madurai. Many of the people even don't know about that college also, because these are coming under the Tier 2 institutions. Okay. But then I was working at the Commerce College of Engineering Technology. There I did my part-time PhD also. Okay. Then how I developed my network, how I connect to this world. It's very simple. Even I can open my WhatsApp. and I will type my contact details here. I just type Malaysia. So these are all the contact I'm having from the Malaysia. See here. Okay. Then UK. UK. This is my friend from the UK. Then Thailand. This is my connects from the Thailand. Okay. Maybe Canada. Or maybe Indonesia. Anywhere, any country you are telling, Australia, any country you are telling, I'm having very good connect. Sir, this entire connect I have developed by using a single forum, simple forum. It's called as the research gate. Many people don't know the importance of the research gate. Okay, I'm using this research gate since 2015. Okay, it's one of the wonderful platform, and every social media is having its own purpose and own reason. Okay, first, social media profile. Please tell me what is the purpose of the Facebook. And please tell me. Somebody tell me. Please don't. Same persons don't speak. Please tell me what is the purpose of the Facebook. Somebody tells a very simple question. I'm asking, sir. What is the purpose of the Facebook? No, you tell me, ma'am. No one is ready to speak. What is the purpose of the Facebook? Am I audible, ma'am?
So
Sir, audible.
connecting
Yes.
with people.
Connecting the people. Okay. What is the purpose of the LinkedIn, ma'am?
Professionally connecting with people.
Fine. So in Facebook, we can see some photo and I can command it. You are so beautiful. But I cannot say the same command inside the LinkedIn. Am I right? Am I right, ma'am? I
Yes,
cannot.
sir.
Fine. So LinkedIn is having its own limitation and Facebook is having its own limitation. Fine. The same way ResearchGate also is having its own limitation because ResearchGate is for researchers. The basic thing, how many of you having, I don't know, very few people may be having the account in ResearchGate. And even after having the account in the ResearchGate, you don't know how to effectively use the ResearchGate. That is the problem. First, you have to create the account in ResearchGate. For creating the account in ResearchGate, you should need the one institutional mail ID. Why that institutional mail ID is needed? That may be the student mail ID or it may be the faculty mail ID. But why not edu? Like that institutional mail ID should be there. Why institutional mail ID should be? We should need it because this ResearchGate should confirm that you are the researcher or you are the person working at the institutions, universities, colleges, and you are doing the research. That is what the prime motto of this particular ResearchGate. So to prove that one, to prove you are the researcher, you have to create the one account in the ResearchGate. Mean you should have the own institutional mail ID. Otherwise, they will not allow you to create the account in ResearchGate. Even every 6 months, you have to verify it. You have to prove that you are the researchers and you are the person connected with the person. You are the person connected with the Bengaluru publication and all original research. Okay, generally we are all, even I am also think that research means the publication. But later on, now only we are understanding research means developing the product and all, getting the funding and all. Okay, that's fine. For you, since we all need to publish article, we need to connect with the international peoples. So connecting the international people, ResearchGate is a wonderful platform, but the only requirement is you should have the institutional mail ID. Fine. So I assume that you are all having the ResearchGate account, or else it's very simple to create the ResearchGate account like creating your Facebook account. Okay. Once you created it, fine. We are having the different tabs here: home button, question button, job button, alert button, message button. Everything is there. Sir, how can I choose? How can I create my profile? So that is all. That also very much essential. You must be very careful. Sir, Last 10 years, actually, this 1 year, I'm in different track. Our last 9 years, whenever I'm sitting in front of my computer in my office, my first task is opening the research gate. Please understand, that's whatever I'm telling, that is truth. My prime task is opening the research gate. And I'm getting the information from here. See here, this is a home button, question button, job button, alert button, message button. Everything is there. And I'm going to tell you how we are going to use the every button or every page in the research gate. Even I can tell you broadly says that I have given one time, I have given the input to the research gate team. They connected me personally and they are asking for the what we want to improve, sir. Like that, they are getting the information from the research gate because I'm the person getting more benefit from the research kit. Fine. See here, this is the home page. Okay. So in your Facebook, whenever you're opening your Facebook, they are getting some photos or some stories. Okay. To whom photo you are getting into your home page, sir, in Facebook? Ma'am, tell me, ma'am. Very simple question only I'm asking. To whom the person, the whom photo you are getting into your feed in the Facebook? Or home button of your Facebook. When you are opening it, you are getting some photos or you are getting some story. The person whose photo you are getting in your Facebook, ma'am, or story, ma'am. Okay, fine, ma'am. Tell me, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, when you are opening your Facebook, ma'am, you are getting some photo or some story. I'm right. So,
Yes,
whom story you are getting or whom's photo you are getting into your home page? Whenever you're opening your phone or Facebook.
My photos and my profile.
No, ma'am. So, different person's profile, the different person's photo is coming. Am I right, ma'am?
Yeah.
They are posting it. Okay. So, you are getting the photos, whether they are the known people or unknown people, ma'am.
Sometimes known or sometimes unknown.
Okay. Actually, ma'am, generally you are getting the person's information, those who are in your friend list only.
Okay.
Otherwise, connected with the friends of friends or friends of friends only. So in
Yes,
that
sir.
algorithm only it's working. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
in the same way, I'm asking that question because everybody is using the Facebook. Okay, understanding Facebook is very, very, very easy. The same way in ResearchGate, we are getting the stories like this. Whenever the person in your friends list, the whole the person you are following, whenever they are publishing any article, you will get a story here. See here, this is a story. If they are publishing any article, you are getting the story here. See here, what is information once again we want to take? Sir, generally what happen? Somebody is publishing an article, we are getting the jealous. Even Senthamarai can also getting the jealous because I'm also the human being. But unfortunately, if you are leave the jealous and getting the data, that will be good for us. It will be good for us also. Sir, see here, this is the person is publishing an article. One person is publishing an article from the cellulose. So I can also get in the article from the cellulose. March 2026, one person in my area, in my network, is published an article in the cellulose. There is a journal named cellulose. See here, Materials Today Communication, Journal of Engineered Fibers and Fabrics, Journal of Composite Science, SPE Polymers, Polymer Composites, Journal of Natural Fiber, Next Materials, Advances in Material Science and Engineering, Polymer Composites, second time Polymer Composites came, Scientific Reports, Cellulose, second time Cellulose came, Scientific Reports, second time Scientific Reports came, then Material Circular Economy, Materials Technology, Journal of Physics Series, Advances in Polymer Technology, Journal of Composite Science, Cellulose, third time Cellulose came, Polymer and Polymer Composites, Polymer Composites, second time is came, third time is came, Discover Materials. So by even just come down and scroll down your ResearchGate profile itself, you can easily choose the right channel in your area. Sir, choosing channel is a big task. The problem is this month, some journalists accepting article in particular area. Next, after 2 months, they may not accept article in your area research. It's dynamically changing. So once you follow the person details in the Facebook, this research care, automatically you can easily choose the right journal in your research area. Fine. This is the one purpose. Second one is the question and answer section is there. Sir, very simple, very simple. My friend Mr. Muruganandan was my former colleague at Kangalaj College in Technology. He asked one question: what is bit? He is not getting any answer. So you can ask any question, because actually, sir, if you sometimes you can understand easily about what is this or what is this and all. Okay, sometimes you cannot answer for some questions. Even your supervisor also failed to answer for some questions. Don't worry, you can ask any questions here. You can I can tell you that what silly questions I asked in this particular research kit before some 5 years. Okay, I don't know, it's not working. I will try to work it. Yeah. Sorry, it's not working. I don't know exactly. So whatever the question you have, what is the question I asked there? How to send some samples from India to China? I don't know that time, because whenever you are sending any material to any abroad, you have to get a lot of clearances there. Even when you are going from India to Malaysia also, it's practically I faced it. Whatever the material you are giving, they will scan it and they will ask the questions, because sometimes I have some powders and all. Then they asked many questions to me. So we cannot easily send the one material from this country to that country. We have to answer, even we need to prepare a letter, and we have to get a signature from our institute, and you have to attach that letter with our courier, then only they will be received it. Otherwise, it will take a lot of queries and it will ask a lot of questions. It's quite difficult to send it. Such questions I asked. Even I asked that what is Q1 journal, or what is Q2 journal, what is Q3 journal. The simple questions also I asked, and I learned from here only. So by using this research kit, you can ask any questions here, and you can follow any questions here, and even you can answer some questions here. Fine. So if you know the answer, you just click the button and you can answer it. Okay. So the same way, I have asked a lot of questions in the research kit, and I got a lot of information also. I don't know. So it's loading. Okay, I have clicked it. It's loading. It will take some time, because there is some internet issue. It's taking some time. Fine. Then job option is there. Actually, it's not at fully developed. You just leave it. Then we can come to the particular person's profile. Now you are in the research kit of my profile. You can see here in my profile, it's about me, and it's about my X page. Okay. Then anything you can give it, but I have given my Twitter handle for the people want to connect. Then you can click this button, research. Then so far I have published 143 articles and 2 books and 5 book chapters, totally 151 in the research kit. Fine. And I have asked 6 questions and 7 answers also in the research kit. Everything is here. All the data we can see here. Okay. Then we can easily see whenever you are seeing anything. Actually, this is one of my friend. Okay, basically he's from the your place only. Million Selvam Denison sir is from the Kanyakumari. Currently he is at the Kampala International University, Uganda. I have connected with him through research kit only. Whenever you see any person's particular paper, all the authors, those who are having the research kit profile, you can see directly go and see their profile. If you want to see the Vignesh Bakriswamy profile, you just click and you can go. Fine. Then after visiting their profile, there is an option called follow button. You just click their follow button. So what happens, sir? If you are following somebody, automatically, if they are publishing any article, it is come to the home button. So there itself, we can easily track that Vignesh Bakriswamy is publishing any article, the same journal I can upload. Okay, you are getting the information there. Okay, fine. Then this is the way to choose and go to the particular person's profile. Okay. Then there is another option is even not only their paper, that particular person's profile, even you can choose and check their reference section also. You can see here, this is the paper I have published it very recently. If I click it, go inside it, all the persons, those who are the author, their profile will come here. Even you can see and cite here. See, click here, references. In these references, what I have cited 171 articles in my paper. All the 171 articles is going to be listed here, and even all the 171 articles co-authors or authors also you can see and go and see their profile also. This is also you can do it. Even if, since it's a recent paper, we are not having any citation. If this paper is getting any citation, if that also going to be listed here. Fine. Okay. So here another one tab is the states. So what is states? It's actually it's a very, very important tab because there are crore and crore of the people are working in this world. Okay. And I think around at least 1 crore people may have the account in the research gate. In this 1 crore people, maybe on 10 lakhs people are working on your research area, particular area of research. Maybe 1 lakh person working on the very exactly with your research area, but only 1,000 people only working on the very close with your research area. So following 1,000 people or 2,000 people is enough, or connecting with that people is enough for the research. Okay, you can see here reads, citation, recommendation. Sir, what happened? Why I want to ask you to check this stats button. Whoever the person is reading your research area, I mean, or somebody is reading your research paper, which means what is indirectly says that they are having somewhat interest on your research area. Then go and check their profile. Go and check their profile. If they are working in your research area, you just click follow button. Once you click the follow button, once again they will follow back you automatically. One button called message button is enabled. Once it is enabled, you can directly message them from here. No need to search their mail ID and no need to search anything, because once you message here, automatically they will get alert into their mail ID. You are getting one message from so and so person here. It's very, very, very simple. Understand? So I will show you some messages, whatever I'm sending from here and how I connected. That also I will show you, don't worry. So once you do it, it will be very easy. Instead, not only this button, lot of information is there. This is about the persons reading your paper. Okay. Sometime that's this states itself. We are having the another tab also. Citation. The person who was citing your article recently, their profile also is going to become. And apart from that, the person who were recommending your article, their information also came here. Sir, I can say you the interesting story here. Anton Guzmin, I never known him. Okay, basically he is from the China, Russia. Okay, but today he is my good friend. I will show you this message button so that you can easily understand how I am connecting to people. These are all the messages I sent to the different browsers. Okay, what happened in last week? I'm going to show you. Okay, 6 days before. I'm getting one message from the browser from Algeria. Dear professor, many thanks to you for showing interest in my research statistics. What I did nothing. I just read his paper. After reading his paper, he come to know that I'm the person working on his research area. Automatically, he sent this particular message. Then I send him that particular message. What I did, sir, nothing, sir. I'm just copy it and paste it in the ChatGPT, and it's created the reply for me. The same reply I just sent to the particular person, professor from the Algeria. Understand? Then he is giving some reply, and then I connected with him. Today, that particular person from Algeria is my friend, and he is in touch with me. Even I planned for this some meeting with him. See here. This is the message I got from the Abbas Wangar, Algeria research kit. Dear professor, so and so is going on, and he is asking for the timing of the meeting. Okay, 3 p.m. Indian time. No, sir, 10:30 a.m. Algerian time. Whatever he is asking, I am connecting. He see here, this Algeria person. So all the people you are getting here only. So apart from this one, I will show you some interesting stories also. So what do you want to, first you have to connect with them. Very simply, you just send them, credit them, your paper is getting published, congratulations, like that you can go. Then it's very easy to connect with the people. See here, this one. Dear Professor, greetings. As a fellow researcher in the field of natural fiber, I would like to connect with you to explore the potential opportunity. I believe we may have the chance to work together in the near future. I look forward to your positive response. Hello, dear Professor. You have the great researcher. I glad to work with you. Okay, this is the Anton Gusmin from the Russia. Okay, I will show you. What is this? He's asking me that. I have asked him, why don't we apply for this particular bundle project, because it's coming under the BRICS. Okay, BRICS, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. These people are coming under the BRICS, and 1 crore funding is came. Currently, I asked him to connect. Why don't we apply like this? See here, every day he's sending a message. Good friend for me. Okay, so apart from this profile today, I'm having the 20 researchers, particular foreigners working on the different area, who can act as the thesis reviewer in the for the Anna University. I'm having the list. These are the 23 persons profile I'm having. And India also, I'm having the around 16 persons. So these are all the information I collected from the ResearchGate. Hope you all understand the importance of the ResearchGate and the Google Scholar also. So whatever I'm saying, I can say everything fine, but you have to follow it and you have to do it. Already, actually, I'm getting some message from your college people also. Sir, please give some assignments, sir, or task to the people so that only they will do. Sir, your task is you have to create your own account in the Google Scholar. If you don't have it, you have to create account in the Google Scholar, and you have to create the account in the ResearchGate, and you have to connect the people in the ResearchGate. That is what the task. Or only you have to create and send the proof to the organizers. They will verify you. So you have to create the account in the ResearchGate. That is your first task. Fine. So up to this, if you have any question related to this one, please let me know. I will answer you. Otherwise, I will go further. I'm expecting 1 or 2 questions from here. Ma'am?
Yes, sir. I created my ResearchGate, sir. Successfully, I created, sir. Completely.
Created, no? Now only you created, no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Ma'am, I hope you understand the importance of the ResearchGate, ma'am. Right,
Yes, sir. I, according to your instruction, I created my ResearchGate.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Others people also, please tell me if you have any doubt, sir, Google Scholar, sir, I cannot get the Google Scholar, sir, or how you are getting in Google Scholar itself, Q1, Q2, Q3 and all. These are a lot of questions are available. If you have any doubt, please let me know. I will answer here. Otherwise, I will move forward.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I have already created account in the ResearchGate, but
Okay,
today only I came to know that so these much advantages are there.
Yes.
So I need to know in the Google Scholar, every article will be listed in that Google Scholar profile.
Yes.
But in ResearchGate, if there is any restriction, only the Q1, Q2 journal papers only listed, or what type of papers listed in this ResearchGate?
Actually, many people don't know what is the Google Scholar and what is the Scopus and what is the Web of Science. Am I right, ma'am? Apart from that, ResearchGate. Okay, fine. So I will tell you what is Google Scholar and what is ResearchGate, Scopus, and what is Web of Science. Okay, so that you can easily understand that. This is I just opening the paint for your understanding. Okay, actually there are a number of channels in the world. Any person can create the account in the any person can run a channel. Okay, even Senthamarai Kannan can run a channel. For example, this is the world journalist. Okay, this is the channel. I think 1 crore channels are available. No, 1 lakh channels are available. Okay, in the world, maybe that may be the indexed or not. You don't worry about it. There are 1 lakh channels are available in the world. Okay, this is the model. Fine. In this 1 lakh channels, this is the list having the Scopus indexing. So for getting Scopus indexing, they are maintaining some standards. Okay, so those are what are the channels maintaining the same that standards? They are listed in bring into the list. Okay, so in this 1 lakh, 50,000 channels only coming under the Scopus index. Fine. In these 50,000 channels, only 25,000 channels are coming under the Web of Science. Understand? So apart from that one, even we are now classifying into the Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, that is different. Okay. For your easy understanding, I tell you that this is the 1 lakh journals, whether it's an index journal or non-index journal, even that Catholic College can create the start a journal, Alliance University can start a journal, and anybody can start a journal. Fine. But once you start a journal, if you are following some basic ethics or fake standards required for the Scopus, if you follow it, then you can approach the Scopus, they will index it. For example, every month or every frequency of the publication should be the 3 months once or 2 months once or 1 month one or 6 months one, and all the issues are published or not. And what about the pluralism percentage you are maintaining? What about your standard of your editorial board? And even what about the geological distribution of your the editorial board? Lot of criteria is there. Okay. So if you are following the standard, then it is coming into the Scopus. Then apart from Scopus, another one option is that is a Web of Science. From Web of Science also indexing the articles. Okay, once Web of Science also indexing the article, they are indexing the journals, only 25,000 journals only. So this is the strict rule they are following. So everyone is start the journal and all the articles should not come to the research gate. If that particular researcher adding that particular article, then it will be come to the research gate. If that particular article is giving the DOI number, what is the DOI number? Digital Object Identifier, which means everybody in India, we are having the Aadhaar card. Okay, it's the identification number for us. Okay, the same way, every article is having the unique number, DOI number, that journals automatically will come to the research gate. If that particular paper don't have the DOI number, it's very difficult to identify whether this journal is original journal or fake journal or cloud journal, where journal is having the quality or not. So it's a good, very good, great difficulty for the research gate, ma'am. So what I am saying is, always strive for the better one. In this 150 articles, I even not more than 10 articles I am published in the Scopus. Even that maybe the Scopus only, maybe the book chapters. Okay, around 140 articles I have published only in the Q1 and Q2 only. So don't think about the even Q3 or Q4 or non-interest journals. Better be please think about only about the Q1 or Q2 journals. That will be good for your profile also. So that only this Q1, Q2 only come to the research gate. Understand, ma'am?
Yeah, yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. I have one question, sir.
Yes, yes, okay.
So at the time of registration, they asked some papers for me or not. They asked.
Yes, ma'am. They need to ask.
The research gets listed, not listed all my papers. It listed some papers only. What is the reason, sir?
No, ma'am. Actually, that is identification issue, ma'am. Because of the what is this index we call this in computer we call this index. Am I right? So by using some parameter only, it's listing it. Okay. Once you create the research kit, ma'am, then you can search it and you can audit, ma'am. You just type it the particular paper title in and search it. This box, ma'am. There is a search box is there, ma'am. You can search it here. Search for the research journals or people. You just search here. And you can easily find your paper, then you can add into your profile. After searching the paper, you just click that particular paper, claim your authorship. There is something will come. You can easily add it into your profile.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes. So by using the input, ma'am, actually, what is this? How it is working? Based on this, some algorithm only it's working. Okay, what is the syntax they are giving? Based on the code only it's taking. Sometimes is there any deviation? It is not taking. That time you can search it and you can audit them. But generally, what is happening? Automatically it will add. Generally, more than 90% of the time. But unfortunately, sometimes it's missing. Like that for me, my case also, in Scopus also, what happened? I'm having sometimes we are getting 2 to 3 profiles in Scopus. Then you have to merge it. Because there is some mistake in our name or changes in my name, because system don't know what is my name, Senthamarai Kannan .p or P Senthamarai Kannan or Senthamarai Kannan Palanichami or Palanichami Senthamarai Kannan. Sometimes it's happened because some journals are asking that you have to give the full name only. You should not give the initial. Then what can we do? We have to give into the Senthamarai Kannan Palanichami. But generally, what is the name I have used? P Senthamarai Kannan. But the channel policy itself, they are asking for the full name. Then we have to give to the Senthamarai Kannan Palanichami. So there is purpose is failed to identify it. The same way, due to some mistakes, it's not identifying it. In that case, you have to collecting everything that is needed. It's you always human intervention is needed on, ma'am. Even though we are developing the ChatGPT and all, but today we are using ChatGPT for a very good purpose. It's useful for us. Not only ChatGPT, lot of AI tools available for the creating PowerPoints also. Nowadays we are giving the AI tools. But however, you are preparing anything by using ChatGPT, anything by using any AI tool, but you have to check it once personally. Otherwise, because man is a man, machine is a machine. Machine cannot replace a man. Okay, but machine can support the man. Machine can reduce our unwanted burden. Okay, so once you understand this one, it will be easy. So because of the syntax error or the algorithm mistake only, it's not adding it. Once you, if you're having 10 to 15 articles, it's very easy to add it also. Please try to maintain your profile correctly. That is needed. Thank you.
Thank you for a clear explanation, sir. Thank you
Yes.
so much.
Anything else related to this one? Fine. Sir, actually, I'm very tough person. Whether you like it or not, but it should be the interaction session. If you are sitting somewhere and on your system, mobile or your system, and you are going out and you are getting certificate, it means I will not allow you. Okay, it's not useful for you. I need even any single person at least must watch my video or my presentation, so that that is the meaningful for the my 2 hours time. Okay, so what if you are watching it and answering me, I will be very happy. Otherwise, I will be I will not feel very happy. Okay, fine. So now next session, what I am going, that is the what is happening in the editorial office. That is, I'm going to explain you in a different perspective. Okay, please answer me. How much answer you are giving, you are getting the very good information also. Even this session, you can ask the question also. This session, I planned it for the at least 20 minutes. Now, time is the 10:55. Okay, at least 20 minutes mean up to 11:15. I planned for the particular topic called we are going to discuss about the what is happening in the editorial office. So I'm going to ask you the question and you need to answer the question. Okay, 20 minutes, there is no presentation. This is the interactive session. I will ask you the questions and you need to answer the question, and whether it's a right or wrong, don't worry about it. Okay, for guiding you only, I'm here. Okay, or sometimes you may know something better than me, you can tell that also to me. Fine, right? Now my first question is, by using my methodology, by choosing the Guruji in your research area, you are choosing the right channel for your research, and you are having one paper with you, and you are going to upload that paper into the particular journal. Once you upload the paper into the particular journal, because nowadays we are not sending any paper to any editorial office by the, even actually that before 30 years they are sent the papers by courier only or post only. Then it came into the email. Now every journal is having its own submission system. Okay, today we are submitting your paper through the submission systems only. Fine. Now I imagine that you are having on paper, you completed a paper, and paper is ready, and you submitted the paper to the particular journal. Once you submitted the paper, it will be received by the editorial assistant in the assistant in the particular journal. They are going to review your paper. Okay, for example, if I'm applying for the job in the St. Xavier Catholic College, my biodata will come to the principal office, but principal will not see and will not read my biodata because they don't have that time. Generally, as some assistant in the principal office, they will take my biodata and they will read it and they will check whether I'm having the essential degree or not. For example, if I'm having the BTech mechanical engineering, MTech mechanical, for the assistant professor, associate professor. The same way, even I'm not eligible for the professor still date because my total year of experience is only 11 years. So after 2 years only, I can be the professor. Okay, these are the basic need we need for the assistant professor, associate professor, or professor also. The same way, every journal is going to check your particular paper is the eligible for the publishing into their journal or not. Okay, so initially it will be checked by the editorial assistant in particular journal. Okay, So what are the parameters they are going to check in your paper when you are uploading a particular paper? Please understand that some assist in the particular editorial office, they will receive your paper and they are going to check some parameter in your paper. Please, can you answer me what are the parameters they are going to check? Simple question, sir. You are uploading on paper, they will receive your paper. Before sending your paper for the review, what are the parameters they are checking? Otherwise, they will reject your paper. It's called as the disk rejection. Okay. Once you understand what are the parameters they are checking, then it easily you can send your paper to the next level of review. Tell me, sir. Tell me, ma'am.
Our paper comes under the scope of the journal, sir. First.
Thank you, ma'am. That the big problem is, ma'am, already I told you, ma'am. Once I send my profile to the Xavier Catholic College, that clerk can understand whether I am the person a caliber to teach or not. They cannot do it, no. That's why I'm telling once again, editorial assistant will review your paper. They cannot understand whether aim and scope is matched with the journal or not. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Then what are the parameters they are checking? Any parameter? Simple parameters there, ma'am. Yes or no parameter?
Number of pages, sir. They will check.
Yes, number of pages.
According to
very good. Yes. Nice one. Very number of pages. Limitation of the pages you are following or not. Fine. Anything else? So everybody can answer, sir. It's a very simple question only.
Plagiarism count.
Very good, ma'am. Very good, ma'am. I am expecting this answer from you, ma'am. Please tell me, ma'am, which software they are using for the checking plagiarism, ma'am. Which software they are using for the checking the plagiarism, whether it's a Urugundu or
Turnitin, sir.
Very good, ma'am. Turnitin, ma'am. Right, ma'am. My second question, how much amount of plagiarism is acceptable, ma'am?
Sir, plagiarism 0%. Sorry, less than 10%.
Yes. What is plagiarism, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
What is plagiarism?
So it will the originality.
Originality is, but what that standard is checking? The Turnitin is checking only word-to-word usage. Am I right, ma'am? Even though you are taking one particular person's complete paper and paraphrase it and publish it, when no one cannot understand or identify.
Yes.
But Turnitin can check only the word-to-word usage. Okay. So even though a person is in live, okay, how we are understand that if they are having the heartbeat, mean they are living. Okay, if they don't have the heartbeat, mean they are not living. Okay, fine. But the same way how they are checking the plagiarism paper by checking the what is the word usage you are having. You are copying the particular person's word usage, then it's called as the plagiarism. So, sir, you cannot write any paper with 0% plagiarism. You please understand that. Sir, ma'am, it's quite difficult to write the article below 20% plagiarism, even though it's your original work. If you are writing by own, automatically it will take around 20% plagiarism. Around 20% plagiarism. Fine. Right. I'm having one more question also related to the plagiarism. Because, ma'am, don't worry. I will tell you within this one hour, I will tell you how to reduce the plagiarism in your paper easily. Don't worry. Second question is it possible to reject your paper because of plagiarism if you are okay, sorry, I'm not getting an answer from you. How much amount of plagiarism is acceptable from the journal? You can tell me any number, please. 1, 2, 3, 0, 10.
Less than 12%, sir.
Yes, ma'am. The problem is, ma'am, once you are trying to reduce the plagiarism, then you cannot write it. It will make you the pressure on you. Okay. I will tell you a number. You can use or write it down. Note it down. 15% plagiarism is acceptable, plus or minus 3%, which means up to 18% plagiarism is acceptable now. Because once you try to reduce the more amount of plagiarism, it's very difficult for everybody. So better you can understand like this: 15% plus or minus 3%. Fine. That is the
Okay, sir.
answer first. 15% of plagiarism is acceptable. Fine. My next question: is it possible to reject your paper because of plagiarism if your paper is having only 15% plagiarism? Please understand that your paper is having only 15% plagiarism. Is it possible to reject your paper because of plagiarism if your paper is having only 15% plagiarism?
No, sir.
But possibility is that because sometimes we are all see that our paper is having the only 15% plagiarism, but unfortunately we don't worry about the single source of plagiarism, which means if you are having any paper, I will show you some paper so that you can have plagiarism that report. Okay, so that we can understand that how it's working. Okay, this is paper 2. This particular paper is having the this is the my plug report. Okay, take it from here. And this is my plug report. See here. This is the my total plagiarism percentage. This is the source 1, source 2, source 3. Okay, this particular source 1 or any source having the more than 4% of plagiarism, they will reject your paper because of plagiarism. Understand, ma'am? Even though if you are having only 10% plagiarism,
Okay,
but that single source plagiarism is more than 4%, mean they will reject because of plagiarism. Fine, right. Now you're having the paper which is having only 15% plagiarism and single source plagiarism is only 4% or 3%. Then what is the parameter they are going to check, ma'am? Any other parameter? AI also, ma'am. Actually, you know, nowadays AI usage is allowed for language correction. If you declare it properly, even 100% AI also acceptable. Nowadays it changed. Even I will show you how to give the declaration for the AI usage. Okay, don't worry. I will show you finally I will show you some checklist so that you can easily understand that. Then plagiarism, AI, any other parameter? Ma'am, your language quality, ma'am?
Sir, yeah.
Okay, fine. So this is one kind of segregation is completed. Now it's going to the another table, next level. Okay. Now they are going to check the your article assignment scope is matched with the general assignment scope or not. Am I right, ma'am? Am I right, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My next question is, how can we prove or communicate to the journal whether article's aim and scope is matched with the journal's aim and scope? Ma'am, actually, you know, please, one colloquial example I'm giving. Okay. Since I'm from Bengaluru also, I'm having some liberty to talk. We are proposing the ways are there. How you can communicate this information to the journal? How our article aim and scope is matched with the journal's aim and scope or not. This is what you have to inform to the journal. What are the ways are available? So that only they will process your paper. Ma'am, please understand my question. Very simple. You are having one paper. Okay. It's having its aim and scope. This aim and scope could be once again. For preparing our what is the condition for highlights? Each bullet point should be 80 character, including the space and the punctuations mark. Minimum 4 to 5 highlights are we needed. Then is the abstract under 200 words. Please understand that the problem is I don't have that time. Okay. Whenever the person is giving the paper with the 250 abstract words or 300 words, 350 words, it's quite difficult to understand. So I standardize it. Whether even though many journals are asked allow up to 300 words, but few journals are allowing only 200 words. So you should give the paper with abstract of 200 words only. Then is the number of pages 50 or below for the research paper or 70 or below for the review paper with the Times New Roman font size 12 and double line spacing. Then is the total number of figures should be below, because if you are having the 15 or 20 figure, it's quite difficult for them to process. So if you are having the more figures, you should be combining. Fine. And is the total number of references below 70 for the research paper and below 150 for the review paper. And are the figure and table call out provided within the manuscript, which means a figure one says that, or shows that, table one summarizes that kind of information you should provide it inside it. Otherwise, they will send it written to you for giving the figure call out or table call out. Okay, even though I am following this checklist, sometimes I missed it. Yesterday I got one paper written by the journal because the table one is not called out properly. Okay, and then our machines names consistently. That is the you want to maintain the in materials method section under the reference section, research and discussion section also. You have to properly maintain the machine names. And then is a graphic abstract provided or not? Whether the journal is asking for the graphical abstract or not, I am asking it from my students. They should give the graphical abstract to me. They should submit the paper to me for the review. They should come with the graphical abstract. Otherwise, I will not get the paper for the review. Apart from that, as the man seems to understand the professional English editing or not, please understand. Man is a man, machine is a machine. Always man play the good role. Better to go with some English process in your institute for the getting English correction. The problem with the English process, they are asking you the printout, then they will ask you to come to next week, then next month, then next year. Then we missed it. So, but nowadays we are having the AI tool, we can use it. But if you are having a very good friend or a very good circle or professional editing option is there, mean you can go with the English correction. I'm having one good friend who is working at Xavier. He is supporting us for the language correction. If you need any support, don't worry, please let me know. I will share my contact detail at the end of this program. Fine. And already told no, are the at least 10 reference paper from the targeted journal. And all the declarations are given or not: ethical declaration, conflict declaration, contribution declaration, data declaration, AI declaration. Lot of declaration is there. You have to properly use this particular declaration. Otherwise, they will not process a paper nowadays. And you have to get a copyright permission for all the figures and table, which means that's why the reason my first question is what's the type of the article you are going to upload? Because every channel is asking for the different type of article. For example, there are review articles there, editorial corner is there, and the research article is there. If it is a research article, don't worry about the copyright permission. If it is a review article, we have to worry about the copyright permission. Okay, so for getting the copyright permission, if you are using any figures from the open access journals, no need to give the copyright permission. But if you are taking any figure from the non-open access journal or subscription-based journal, you should get the copyright permission. Yeah, even I can teach you how to get the copyright permission also, but we are having only limited time, only 2 hours time. If you feel any interesting on my presentation, if you are interested to call me into the personally, I will come. But you have to get a appointment before 2 months, so that only we can come. Getting copyright permission also is a very important task. Okay, then we have to think about the plug check, and the plug should be overall plug should be the below 15%, and the single source person should be the below 4%. And the AI generated content also available. We have to maintain it. Apart from that, nowadays everybody is thinking about the SDG, that is the Sustainable Development Goals. You have to give the abstract. In abstract are the keywords. You have to give the SDG. And nowadays, the lot of problems are coming. If you are uploading any research article, you have to maintain the original data from the research article. If later days, before after 3 years, 4 years, 10 years, they may ask you the original machine generated data which you are used for the publishing the article, and it's your responsibility to give the machine generated data. Okay, so you have to maintain the machine generated data. That's what I have mentioned here. Then prepared by, verified by, and uploaded by whom. Then this is the standard declaration you have given. You just read it here. AI usage declaration. During the preparation of this work, the author used Grammarly to improve the language clarity, grammar, and spelling. Okay, you just leave these lines. The author carefully reviewed and edited all the outputs and take full responsibility for the final version of the manuscript. So, which means the journals are allow you to use the AI for the improving the language of our paper, and you should not create the content or the idea from the AI. Fine. Then total number of figures in the manuscript, total number of tables in the manuscript, and you have to give all the figure number. If it is open access, mean no worry, especially this is needed for the review paper. If it is the subscription based journal, then you have to get a proper copyright permission. They need to give the copyright license number. Same will be applicable to the table. Okay. If you have the such kind of list or checklist only, it is possible to get a acceptance from the journal within 3 months. Are you believe that is it possible to get acceptance from the journal within 3 months? Ma'am? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, audible. Burden.
Is it possible to get the acceptance from the journal within 3 months, ma'am? From that of uploading?
Yes, sir, possible.
Possible, but you should maintain this checklist properly. Otherwise, it's impossible. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's why I have shared my checklist here. Fine.
Sir, please share this checklist, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Which number I want to share, ma'am? Today you messaged me on number from the number that number.
WhatsApp group is there, ma'am, sir.
Yes, ma'am. That's why, ma'am. This number I can share, ma'am.
Which number?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This
She's
number.
a coordinator. She will post it.
Yes. Okay. Now itself I shared, ma'am, in front of you. Huh?
Thank you.
Yeah, I am not hiding anything. Okay, that is the beauty of our presentation. Myself and Dr. Indran conducting this program more than I think 5-6 years. Okay, Dr. Indran is from the Kanyakumari only. He is my mentor and Guruji and my brother. We both conducting the same kind of program. One of Indran's friend only approached me from your institute for this program. Okay, this is the checklist already shared. Organizers, please share with the group. Otherwise, and finally, I will give you the one QR code for joining our team WhatsApp group, and I will share you my personal number also. If you are really interested to join with our team, or if you are really interested to touch with us, you can easily connect us. And even every 3 months, myself and Dr. Indran is conducting the 2-3 days training program like this for the, I think, 10 hours training courses. If you are interested, you can join. Okay, this is what the extra information. Fine. Now I'm going to teach you the referencing tools, because my main topic is only two. One is the networking tool, another one is the referencing tools. So now I'm going to speak about the referencing tools. Fine. Ma'am, what are the reference tools are available, ma'am? Please tell me. Referencing tools are available. Okay, I will tell you, don't worry. Actually, what happened in initial days, when I start to do my research, that time, we are making the references by the hand only. So, if you are uploading one paper to the Internal Journal of Biology Macromolecule, you have to use that format 1, 2, 3, 4 format. But, ma'am, understand what I am speaking, ma'am? There are different kind of format is there. Okay, when you are uploading the paper, I will show you some format so that you can easily understand that. See here. This is my published paper, so that I can easily show you. Okay, this is the paper. It's published. We are using this et al format. This is the et al format. Okay.
Yeah.
But sometimes the channel is asking for the 1, 2, 3 format. Okay. Like if you are opening the another paper, you can understand that. Jani, okay, my friend, one of last week I uploaded one paper. This paper we have used the 1, 2, 3 format. See here. Okay, here also et al only we use, no? Fine. See here. See here. What is the format we used? Menly, you are getting the Menly desktop application like this. This is the my Menly desktop application. Fine. So before installing the Menly desktop application, you need to create a one account in Menly. Okay, that is the one more big task. Big task is very simple task. Just go inside the Menly website and you click the create account button is there. You just create the create account because already I have created my account in Menly and I have logged in Menly. That's why it's show me that. Fine. Once you like our Facebook, you can easily create the one account in Menly. Once you created the account in Menly, then you are getting your user ID and password. By using this user ID and password, you can easily go inside the Menly. So now I believe that you are having the account in the Menly. So okay. So now when you are trying to log in, it is going to ask you the user ID and password. Once you give the user ID and password, automatically you are getting the login inside the Menly. Fine. Fine. Okay. Fine. The second task is completed. Fine. Now, my Menly is having a lot of documents. These are all the documents I'm having. Okay. I can show you. I'm having around 10 lakhs document in Menly. I can show you around 10 lakhs documents in my Menly. Fine. But I'm not collected this document within a day. See my 10 years collection. Which means every year I'm downloading at least 1,000 articles in this 1,000 article means every day I'm collecting at least 3 articles. Okay, and every day I'm collecting. You can see here when it's ordered, everything is there. It's ordered today, yesterday, very recently it's ordered. Okay, everything you can do it. Okay, fine. So this Menly, once you are logged in, it may be the empty one. Okay, because you are not give any input to the Menly. Okay, now I am going to tell you how we are going to give the input to our Menly. Understand? So now your Menly is empty. Now you want to give the input to the Menly. Okay, there are different kind of ways are available. First one is go and click art files, which means you have the any papers PDF document with you, just click open. What happened? That particular papers, title, author name, journal name, year, volume, issue number, pages, DOI number, everything will come to your particular Menly easily, simply. Understand? You need to click your PDF document. Otherwise, go to art file button. If you have the, for example, if you have the 200 papers in your particular folder, okay, Journal of National Fake folder. See here, this particular folder alone, I'm having many papers. These are all the papers I'm having. What I want to do, I just click Control All, click open. All the 200 paper will come to your Menly. All the information will come. Okay, but however, sometimes we are try to read them in PDF files. It mistake to extract some information. Sometimes missing of the title or author name or volume number. But if you have this TOI number, you just search it once again. Automatically, it will take it will correct everything. Fine. This is the one way. And second way is the if you don't, second way is that if you want to add all of my papers within a click, it's very simple. You can go to my Google Scopus profile. I think hope you all know about the Scopus profile. And many of the institutions, what is the problem in Tamil Nadu? We don't have the access for the Scopus. If we have the access for the complete Scopus database, then it will be very easy. You can go to any person's particular Scopus profile and you can add their complete paper into your Menly. Okay, I can show you that. This is the author details. Here I can search the Senthamarai Kannan. Senthamarai Kannan dot B search. See here. Okay, something is error is there. Okay, fine. We will go with some other information. Their name, Indran. Yes. Okay, some issues in this browser. That's why it's showing like that. I will go with the another browser. Sir, is it visible, ma'am, this particular browser?
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay. Okay. Here we are going to search the information. Author Senthamarai Kannan. Actually, we must be exactly typing anything. Should not come with any doctor. Nothing should come. Then it leads to the person names with the same kind of profile. So Senthamarai Kannan Palanichami is my profile. It's having around 146 documents. Okay. Okay, it's not working. I don't know exactly why. Once it's working, mean we can easily add a particular person's profile easily to our mainly. Even you can extract 140 information inside the mainly. This is the one kind of the. And apart from that one, this mainly is the product of the Xavier. Mainly is the product of Xavier. So whatever the paper we are having in the Xavier, that also we can easily add into the mainly. You can go here. This is the mainly. See, any Elsevier paper, any journal in the Elsevier, you can go and you can add the paper from here directly from the mainly. You can see here status issue. This particular paper you just click. Okay. Here there is an option called auto mainly. This, see here, if you click this button automatically it is going to be added. This is the another way. Otherwise, you just click the side button. Then you can export as the proof text. You can download the proof text of this particular paper and you can add into mainly. This is all the different way to add the input to the mainly. Apart from that one, if you have the DOI number, you just copy this DOI number and go to the mainly and click here or entry manually. Go and paste the DOI number, click the search button, then you can save it. Automatically, this data will come inside the or particular mainly set. No need to type the issue number, volume number, and all. Sometimes, if you need something extra or uncited article, madam is asked today. Sometimes some articles don't have the DOI number. In that case, you can go here, click the odd entry manually, then you can choose whether it's a book, case study, or case, or generic hearing, journal article, everything you just click. Then you have to give the title, author name, journal name, year, volume, issue number, abstract, everything. Then you can save it. Then you can cite. Okay. But today, 99% of the journals are having the DOI number. By click and search, you can easily take the information from the database. Fine. So now we added give the complete information to the mainly. Fine. Now your mainly is ready. Okay. Once your mainly is ready, then you have to go to the tools button. In this tools button, there are different options are there. Install web importer. Actually, you can easily click the install web importer. This is the web importer for the mainly. Okay. For my case, already I have installed the web importer for the mainly. You can see here. Now, if I want to take some information from the website, then how can I set the particular website in the mainly? It's very easy. Now I'm typing it the natural fiber wiki. So what is natural fiber and all I'm getting from the Wikipedia. Okay. Now I want to cite this Wikipedia page or these references inside my mainly. It's very easy. You have to click this mainly web importer. You just click it. See here, I'm just click the mainly web importer. Okay. Now it is going to extract the information inside this particular page. No, these are the some 27 references are there in the this particular page. If you go to this reference section, it's ready to take all the 23 references, 23 and plus references also. It's going to be extract very easily. So this is the another way to extract information to the Mendeley. Then apart from that, is this Mendeley itself, one option is called installed MS Word plugin, which means actually now you are having the Mendeley with you, but the thing is your Mendeley is not connected with your Word document. Now you want to connect your Mendeley with the your Word document. Once you click this button, installed MS Word plugin, then automatically this plugin will come to your Word document. Okay, now I'm going to open a new Word document and I'm going to tell you Mendeley symbol where it will come and how this Mendeley is going to be connected with your Word document. Okay. So I'm opening a new Word document. Right. Blank Word document I'm opening. Fine. Here actually in Word itself, lot of features are there, but generally we don't know how to use these features. Okay. Here, home button, insert, design, layout, and reference section. Just click here. This is the reference section. Okay. Generally, these symbols are not coming into the reference section. Once you click the button, install MS Word plugin, then only it is coming. This is the reference section. Fine. Here, now you are going to write the article. Okay. Anything. Today, world is going towards sustainable practices. Okay, this is the written. Now you want to cite anything, go click insert citation, go inside it. If you want to cite this paper, you just click cite button. M1. Second paper you want to cite, click cite. It is cited. Now if you want to merge this button paper, click merge citation. 1, 2, it's getting merged. Okay. Already I told you, whenever you are uploading any paper, that time you must be very careful. Whichever the journal you are uploading, the same journal, you have to cite at least 10 paper from the same journal. For example, if I am going to upload my paper to the Journal of Natural Fiber, then you can go here. Actually, based on your input, this Mendeley itself is segregating all your paper. See here. Here I am searching this Journal of Natural Fiber in this particular table. Then Journal of Natural Fiber, MN. Click here. This is the Journal of Natural Fiber. Now, what happened? All the article which I am having in Journal of Natural Fiber, that alone is coming. I'm having around 10,000 articles in my particular database, but currently I'm having 424 articles from the Journal of Natural Fiber alone. Here, sometime if I want to choose some particular person as a reviewer for my paper, for example, my friend Indran as the reviewer for my paper, I'm just search Indran here. What happened? Whatever the article published by the Dr. Indran in the Journal of Natural Fiber alone, it's going to be segregated. Now I can click this particular button. Okay, then click. Yes. That paper cited. Fine. So after your paper is getting ready, then references. Then references. References. So click references. Then insert site photography. See here. So all the papers are automatically come into listed here after you are finishing your paper. Fine. Now, if you want to change the format, you just click the 1, 2, 3 format, then go to the references. If you change into the next format, you go Chicago format, means that is the et format. Automatically, it is going to be changed into the next format. Okay, what happened? So if your paper is accepted to the from this particular journal, then you can go to the next format. Then next format. Then next format. See here. Automatically it will change into the another format. You need not to change the any formatting and all. It's automatically used. Okay, fine. So actually, this particular tool I learned at 2019 from one of my good friend named Mr. Muthu Natarajan. He only teach me this particular tool. But unfortunately, what happened after 4 years, he tried to submit his thesis. It's quite difficult for him to use the Menley for referencing and all. Okay. Then I only support him for the practice. The person who teach me, he forget it. So only way to use the Menley is the practice. If you practice Menley properly, then it will work. Otherwise, it will not work. Okay. So you must be practicing Menley. This is also the task for you. So today I have given the task for you. You have to create the Google Scholar account. If you don't have many, you have to create the Google Scholar account. If you don't have the ResearchGate menu, you have to create the ResearchGate account. If you don't have the Menley menu, you have to download the Menley and install into a laptop, and you have to link your Menley with the Word document, and you have to practice it. Okay, so nothing is very complicated. Everything is very simple. In YouTube itself, whatever I say, everything is available. But what I did is I'm giving you in an organized way. That is the difference between the available in the open forum and me. Okay. Hope you all enjoyed my session. All the topic also, whatever I have given in the assured with your institute, I have delivered it. Because we cannot go beyond it. For me also, taking the class more than 2 hours, it's quite difficult for me also, and you also, it's getting more, I think. So I'm wind up in my taking session here itself, and now I'm going to give you some WhatsApp group link, and I'm going to share my personal details also. If you are interested, you can connect with me personally. I will support you, and our team also will support you in a right way. With the permission of the organizers, now I'm going. Can I show my WhatsApp group QR code to your team, ma'am?
Okay, sir.
This is our ResearchGate WhatsApp group. We have any support. If you need any support, don't worry. You can approach us. You can approach us. We will show you. Okay. This is our WhatsApp. This group. What we are doing in this particular group. If you are becoming a member of this particular group, what happened? If you need any support from our end for paper downloading and all, if you post it into our group members will respond to you. You can see here, whoever the person is asking for any paper, our team members are responding you. Actually, a lot of team members are available in our team. Okay, they will respond to you, and they will give the information as soon as possible. Okay, so what I am telling you, if you are joining into this group, okay, it will be useful for you. And if you need any support for the paper downloading and all, you just post your information to here, and you will get the paper as soon as possible. Okay, within a day you will get a paper. Okay, we are supporting for the paper downloading. Apart from that, we will give some advertisements for our team also. We are connecting any program and all, we will give advertisement also. If you are interested, you can join here. This is the group. By scanning this QR code, you can join into our team WhatsApp group. Okay, this is the task number 1. You can do it now itself. If you are interested, you can join into our ResearchGate WhatsApp group. And take 1 minute. Otherwise, I will move to the next session. Next information. So whoever interested, you can join into our team WhatsApp group by using this QR code. And this is the group created for the supporting researcher. That's why its name is ResearchGate group. Okay, Researchers Care group. We are going to support you. If you need any paper and all, you can post it here. We will support you. Okay, it's up to you. Hope you all joining the group. Okay, fine.
Sir, that group information is not visible, sir.
One second, ma'am. Otherwise, okay, you have to tell me, ma'am, so that only I can. And the screen, sir. This is the QR code. Hope it's now visible, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes. You can join here. Okay. who are interested to join with our team. If you need any support, if you need any support for the paper downloading and all, we are ready to support you. Okay, just scan it and automatically it leads to the group. Okay, even I just remove that permission also, you can easily join. For 5 to 10 minutes, we are not asking for the permission or permission from the admin. Okay, you just join using this link by scanning this link. Okay, fine. Don't worry, I will share the same information to the organizers also. They will post into that another group also, whichever they created for the organizing this program also. Otherwise, you also can post it. Okay, this group QR code, you can post it. Okay, fine. Because the other person attending our program only in this group. Okay, in this group also there is no unwanted people are there, so we are very clear about it. Okay, fine. Then second one is the my personal contacts and all. So this my mobile number is, I'm going to display it. If you are anybody is interested to connect with me and you are interested to want to ask me any questions, don't worry, you can connect with me through my WhatsApp number. Okay, okay, this is my mobile number and mail ID also available there. 9751942854. This is my mobile number. Hope it's accessible. And first one is my personal mail ID. This also you can connect. But second mail ID is not. It's a previous institution mail ID. So you can use this mobile number as well as this mail ID. Okay, by using this one you can connect. The thing is, I may not respond sometime. Sometime I don't know who are and all these problems are came. So better today itself, you may send me your details to my WhatsApp personally. To my WhatsApp, I will save your number, and if I am having your number, surely I will respond. 200% I will respond. If you need any support, don't worry, I will send you. Okay, and that checklist also already I sent to the organizers. They will send you personally. Okay, so better you may send me some WhatsApp message. I will save your contact number. Okay, generally I will respond. Otherwise, my team will respond. You can post into that WhatsApp group. My team will respond. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, you can ask me now, because we have the 4 minutes time. If you have any doubt, you can ask.
Dear participants, if you have any queries, you can ask now.
Sir, if you are writing the report thesis, whether plagiarism will be checked or not, how much percentage it is acceptable while writing thesis?
Actually, it's depending upon the university, ma'am. Which university you are going to submit, ma'am?
Anna University.
Anna University, actually, they are allowing up to 20%, ma'am. But as per the UGC norms, you have to submit TAN10, that is plagiarism below to 10%. But TAN10 is quite highly captured. They are many different kind of standards. That's why, personally, internally, they are allowing up to 20% of plagiarism in TAN10.
Okay, sir.
Yes, anything, sir? Okay.
Any more queries?
Excuse me, sir. For
Yes.
publication side, AI generated image is acceptable or not, sir?
Ma'am, actually, AI can be used for the language correction only. Okay. That AI generated images can be used, but you have to declare it properly. Which purpose you use the AI? That is the disclosure. It's called as a disclosure. If that journal is not ready to publishing your AI generated image, they will not allow you, then they will restrict you. For me also, last month I sent and I have submitted on paper graphical abstract, generated on paper graphical abstract by using the AI. But the channel sent me the reply that we are not allow you to create the graphical abstract by using the AI. Okay. So depending upon the journal policy, it's going to be vary. But wherever the place, whatever the purpose, you are using the AI, and you have to properly declare it now. Once you declare it, no worry. Okay, that's why you have to, in your my checklist also, you can see here my checklist. I have given the other options also in AI declaration. Canva was used for the preparation of the figures under the graphical abstract and the ChatGPT. That also I have declared it. Okay. Here you can use the ChatGPT 4.0 was used for the preparation of the particular figure, and all you can declare. That's fine. But actually, as per my understanding, better you can use the AI for the language improvement alone.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. So, ma'am, actually, I need the feedback also. I think hope the organizers having the feedback form also. So please get the feedback and please share with me.
Okay, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Shall we close the session now, sir, then?
For me, it's okay, ma'am.
Okay, sir. It's my privilege to propose the vote of thanks for today's insightful session on research networking tools. I'd like to express our sincere gratitude to our esteemed resource person, Dr. P. Senthamarai Kannan, for delivering an enlightening and engaging session. Your valuable insights into research networking platforms have provided us with practical knowledge that will undoubtedly support our research endeavors. We're grateful for the time, effort, and expertise you have shared with us today. Thank you, sir. As we conclude today's session, let us carry forward the knowledge gained and apply these research networking tools to enhance collaboration, visibility, and impact in our academic and research pursuits. Once again, thank you all for your presence and participation. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.
Thank you.
Dear participants, today's activity will be posted in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.